This will be a short video, and the point we will make here will be one that has been made already when we discuss the objectives across the top face of the COSO cube. That is, the objective setting referred to in this component of the ERM framework should have a similar result, or in fact, be the same process as is used in our strategic and operating planning process. In the absence of knowing where we are going, it's hard to predict the obstacles that may stand in our way. We need to consider risks from the internal and external factors confronting our business as a precondition of the steps that will follow. Let's take a simplistic example to illustrate the point and fill up at least a minute in this video. So say your mission is to go to Wyoming. God knows why. This is not enough for us to begin defining the risk events associated with accomplishing our mission. We don't know whether we'll be traveling by car, bus, train, or airplane. So how can we narrow our risk management strategies in the absence of specific objectives? By specifying our objectives, such as we need to get there by tomorrow and we can only spend $500, our strategies narrow considerably, as traveling by car, bus, or train just won't get us there in time, and chartering our own jet is just too expensive. Knowing that we are traveling using a commercial airline, we can now consider the risk events that would prohibit us from achieving our objective. Stuff like the plane could crash, the weather could be bad, there might not be any seats available, which in turn allows us to design very specific actions to deal with these situations. So for instance, we could book our flights early, leave today instead of tomorrow, book flights on multiple airlines. The bottom line is, it's important to have our objectives before we embark further into any risk management activities. So until next time, don't stop till you get to the top. When you get to the top, don't stop.